Please feed the YouTube algorithm by giving the video a like. If you want to see more like this, click subscribe and ring the bell to be notified of new videos. If you want to chip in on my expenses, I now have Patreon and YouTube members. Welcome to this month's Hua Hin Thailand train line construction drone flight video update. If you're familiar with the background of the train line project from previous videos, feel free to skip ahead to the timestamp shown on screen. For those of you new to the series, I've been flying my drone monthly around the train line construction in my town of Hua Hin, Thailand, starting back in April of 2021. Thailand is in the middle of a massive project to upgrade from a system of single tracks to a system of double tracks, plus additional high-speed rail links from Bangkok to the north towards Laos and China, and additional 160 kilometers per hour mid-speed rail links to the south. One of the mid-speed lines is now under construction through Hua Hin. Concurrently to this, the main train station in Bangkok is moving from the century-old Hua Lam Phang station to the shiny new Bang Su station in the northwest part of the city. With the new mid-speed rail line and the better location of the Bang Su station, I'm hoping that the run from Hua Hin to Bangkok will take about 2 hours, rather than the 5 hours we currently encounter, and that's on a good day. These drone flights allow us to see the progress on things like the construction of the new Hua Hin station, the laying of the new second ground-level tracks, the raised track sections, new bridges, elevated traffic overpasses in conjunction with the removal of ground-level crossings for safety, and removal of encroaching buildings along the route to make way for the new lines and a wider road that will parallel the line all the way through town. Geoff flew the drone this month, capturing highlights of changes up and down the line. He got a tiny slice of drone footage at the Palm Hills overpass before the drone refused to go any closer. Then he gave us a driver's eye view going up, across, and down the ramp. He also flew over the busy Pae Mai market and the new disco at the Soi 94 bar area. You'll also see progress on the station continuing. Some level crossings have been completed, and extensive clearing of land and buildings for the new road, so be sure to check this one out. We have several train stories in the news this month. The Krung Thep Apiwat Central Terminal Facebook page brings us a story about fully electric trains that are under test in the Thailand rail system. They will start by shuttling trains around the yard, then venture out to short distance runs, then up to 300 kilometers. It takes about an hour to charge, so they will have a high utilization rate. The Royal Coast Review brings us some driver opinions of the overpasses as they become active around the city. Be sure to put your opinion in the article or in the comments below. Hua Hin Train Spotters has an article giving notice of the closing of the level crossing at Soi 94 to complete the groundwork. Let me know if you got stuck and had to detour around the construction. And Hua Hin Today tells us of a similar road closure for Soi 101 in Koh Tao. Heaven is Hua Hin brings us a picture and story about where the stations are located along the train line heading north to the Laos border. And finally, CNN has an article about how Europe is expanding train service in favor of short-haul airplane flights to decrease travel time and reduce carbon emissions. I wonder if this could be practical for Thailand someday. Now, let's get flying. Just before we wrap up, I want to thank my Patreons, Peter Bouvier and Puppy, for their support. We also just popped over 2,000 subscribers, which is quite a nice milestone for my little channel. All support is greatly appreciated. Hey, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, be sure to feed the algorithm and do all the YouTube things. Take care and see you next time.